Everyone, today we are going to make Spanish omelette. For that, in a non-stick pan I've taken about 1 to 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. You can also use refined oil or butter if you wish to. To this we add 1 potato finely chopped. Now let the potato get half cooked, and it's only then that we add finely chopped onion. Sprinkle some salt over it and let it get cooked completely. Once that is done, we take the potato and the onion, 2 eggs, 1 chili chopped, 1 tablespoon of milk, some salt to taste, and about half a teaspoon of pepper, and beat it up properly so that the omelette becomes fluffy. Now in the same pan I've added again 1 tablespoon of mustard oil, and now I pour in the mixture for the omelette. Now keep this in low flame for about 4 to 5 minutes so that the lower side of the omelette gets cooked properly. Once that is done, in order to flip it, we take the help of a plate, turn it over, and now you can place the omelette again by sliding it from the plate onto the pan. Same goes for the other side. You can keep it in low flame for about 4 to 5 minutes, and there you go, your Spanish omelette is ready. You could have also used mint leaves and coriander. Since there's a lockdown, I've prepared it with whatever was available. Thank you.